Lesson 42. Let's talk about come, came, come. Come is an irregular verb, but we have two verbs in English, come and go. What is the difference? Go and come. So when you say go, you mean that the movement happens away from the speaker. So you say go there. Go there, away from the speaker. But when you say come here, you mean that the movement happens toward the speaker. Part A. Come in and come out. We say come in when someone knocks at the door of a room. Then the person who knocked comes into the room. Come out of is often the opposite of come in, come into. A woman came out of the shop with two big bags. I was in the street, so I saw it. You put your money in and the ticket comes out of the machine. You put in and the ticket comes out. Part B. Come back and come home. Come back means return to this place here. She went away for 3 days. She came back yesterday. She is here again. Come back is often used with from. They came back from Italy yesterday. Come home is similar. Home is here. For the person speaking. What time did you come home last night? Oh, about 3 o'clock. What? That's much too late. Part C. Other important uses of come. What country do you come from? I'm from Poland. I come from Poland. I'm Polish. We are going clubbing tonight. Do you want to come along? It means come with us. Come and see me sometime. It means visit me. Come to my place. Common mistakes. We do not use present continuous when we use this phrase, come from. So you have to say, I come from Poland, but not I'm coming from Poland. Tip. Write down any prepositions you find with come every time you see them. Let's have some practice. Exercises 42.1. Fill the gaps in the sentences. Number 1 is done. I put money in, but the ticket didn't come out of the machine. Number 2. I'm going to Thailand tomorrow. Oh, when are you coming back? In 2 weeks. Number 3. The teacher came the classroom and started the lesson. Came into the classroom. Number 4. Where do you come from? I'm Spanish. Number 5. Come and me at 5 o'clock. We can talk about it then. Come and see me at 5 o'clock. Number 6. The children come school at 4 o'clock. Come back from school. .2. What do you think these people are saying? Use words from the box. Number 1. Come in. She or he knocks and she says, come in. Come into the room. Number 2. Look at the picture. Try to understand what is happening in the picture and choose your phrase from this box. Number 2. Come here. So she is a teacher and she is a pupil, and she asks her to come here. Number 3. We are going to a party. Do you want to? Do you want to come along? It means to go with me, to go with us, to come along. And last one, that is easy. I come from France. Come from. Is it possible to say I am coming from France? No, we use only present simple with this phrase. 42.3. Fill the gaps using come in the correct form. Did you come for your letters? They are on the table. Number 2. She back yesterday. She came back yesterday. Number 3. He here every Tuesday. He comes here every Tuesday. Number 4. You to the party tonight. Are you coming to the party tonight? Number 5. Pierre from a small town in Luxembourg comes. 42.4. Answer these questions for yourself. What time do you come home every day? Answer out loud. Practice your speaking skills. Number 2. What country do you come from? And last one. What do you do when you come into your classroom? So, one more exercise. Over to you. Look up these verbs in a dictionary. Write down the meaning and one example for each verb. After a week, cover the verbs and examples. Look at the meanings and see if you can remember the verbs. This is it for today. Thank you for being with me, and I will see you next time. Bye.